This is a sequences question. There are a sequence of shapes, and it says that the circles are equal to 2s, 2 times the squares plus 2. So, the first question says calculate the number of circles when the number of squares in a shape is 150. So we just put 150 instead of s. So c equals 2 times 150, which is 300, plus 2. So when there are 150 squares, there would be 302 circles. Now the second part says, how many squares are there in a shape that has 100 circles? Well, you can see that they've changed it round. They now want the number of squares. So we're going to rearrange the equation. C equals 2s plus 2. If we take 2 off both sides, we get c minus 2 equals 2s. And therefore s is equal to c minus 2 over 2. Because we then divide both sides. To get from 2s to s, we divide by 2. So s equals 100 minus 2 over 2. That's 98 over 2. And therefore, when there are 100 circles, there will be 49 squares.